These YouTube channels, TikTok, and Instagram theme pages have gained over 200,000 subscribers and have an average of 1 million views on most of their videos. These channels are making thousands of dollars by creating historical facts with the help of artificial intelligence. By looking into their channel income analytics, we can see that they are making $2,000 every month and up to $34,000 per annum. The craziest part is that you can also make these types of AI history reels with the help of AI within 10 minutes and can earn over $1,000 per month. In this video, I will show you a full step-by-step method to how to create these YouTube shorts, and to become successful at the end of this year, watch the full video till the end. Before starting, let's look at one of their videos.
Crazy history facts you won't learn anywhere else. Part 3. In the 18th century, it was fashionable for wealthy Europeans to have their own personal dwarfs who would perform for their amusement and even be given as gifts, a small price to pay for entertainment. The ancient Chinese
Okay, in order to create these types of shorts, we want to do these 3 steps. The first step is to create the content of the reel. For this, we can use free AI tools like ChatGPT. Our second step is to generate AI images for our reel. We can use other AI tools like Leonardo AI or Midjourney. The third step is to create audio for our history reels using EvenLabs. Our fourth step is editing, which can be done by CapCut. Our last step is adding sound effects, which will make our reel look professional. Without wasting time, let's start our work. Look at one of my video made through these AI, which looks better than the AI historian shorts.
Crazy history facts that will blow your mind. Before becoming the 16th president of the United States, Abraham Lincoln was an accomplished wrestler. He reportedly only lost one match out of around 300 in his wrestling career, and in 1992, he was inducted into the National Wrestling Hall of Fame. Germany's Iron Chancellor, Otto von Bismarck, had an unexpected soft spot for cows. He enjoyed being surrounded by them and often invited guests to his estate to see his cattle. This affinity was surprising, given his stern reputation as the architect of German unification. The name teddy bear comes from President Theodore Roosevelt's hunting trip in 1902. While on the trip, he refused to shoot a bear that had been captured and tied to a tree, stating it was unsportsmanlike. This incident led to the creation of the teddy bear toy, symbolizing kindness and compassion.
For the first step, we want to go to ChatGPT and ask it to give 20 crazy facts about world leaders, each about 100 words long, which should be interesting and astonishing and not taught by schools. If you want more, just type continue and read each of them. Then pick 3 or 4 best facts that should be more interesting and attractive. Here we have finished our first step. Our next step is to create AI images. For this process, we want to use an AI called Leonardo AI. Go to Google, search Leonardo AI and click on the first link. Then you want to select Get Started. Then you want to log into your account. You will come to this page and scroll down, which will show a lot of AI images created by Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is free and gives up to 150 credits per day, which is enough for us. You can also buy a paid plan, which will give you 8,500 credits per month. Okay, after that, you want to click on image generation. Before generating AI images, you want to create prompts. Head back to ChatGPT and ask it to give the 5 best prompts about 100 words for the generation of AI images, and explain the content of the reel in a brief way, such as Abraham Lincoln as the 16th president of the United States. Then choose the best one you like and copy and paste it to Leonardo AI. Then click on Preset, select Portrait Perfect, and select Portrait Style as Portrait Cinematic. Click the ratio 2:3, or you can select the ratio as 9:16, and then click on Generate. Wait a few minutes and our image will be ready. Download your favorite image and repeat the process like going back to ChatGPT and changing the content of the reel, copying it and pasting it to Leonardo AI, and generating images. In this, you have to create at least 4 images for our reel to look smooth. Our third step is to add sound effects. Go to Google and search EvenLabs. Click on the first link and select Get Started Free. Then log in and you will enter this page. Next, go to ChatGPT and copy the facts that you like the most one by one. Paste them to EvenLabs. Select the audio you like most. I am selecting Brian. Then press Generate the speech and download it. Our fourth step is editing. For this, I am using CapCut, which is available in both Play Store and App Store. If it is not available in your country, you can use a VPN for it. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import all the audio files that you have downloaded from Even Labs and arrange them in order. Change the ratio to 9:16, then zoom in the audio file and trim out the unwanted gaps in it. This will engage the audience throughout the video. Then import all the images downloaded from Leonardo AI. After placing each image according to the audio file, click on transitions and add the best transitions between each clip. I am adding transitions like light sweep to bubble blur and lightning to look creative. You can also add effects like diamond blur at the beginning and end of the video. Our next step is to add sound effects to our reel. For this, we want to search Pixabay and click on it. Then change all images to sound effects, search wrestling, cows, gunshot, and bear, and download your favorite one. Then go back to CapCut, import the downloaded sound effects, add it on the right positions, also trim out unwanted sounds. You want to click export your video and press resolution as 1080p, then click export. One more step is that you wanted to add captions to the video, which can be done by CapCut itself by clicking auto captions. However, I am using another AI tool called Vibeo. Go to Google search Vibeo, click on the third link, select to get started. Now go to Vibeo, import our video, and wait a few minutes, our video will be ready. You can also change the styles of your text. I am selecting this one and then export your video. This is our generated video.
Crazy history facts that will blow your mind. Before becoming the 16th president of the United States, Abraham Lincoln was an accomplished wrestler. He reportedly only lost one match out of around 300 in his wrestling career, and in 1992, he was inducted into the National Wrestling Hall of Fame. Germany's Iron Chancellor, Otto von Bismarck, had an unexpected soft spot for cows. He enjoyed being surrounded by them and often invited guests to his estate to see his cattle. This affinity was surprising, given his stern reputation as the architect of German unification. The name teddy bear comes from President Theodore Roosevelt's hunting trip in 1902. While on the trip, he refused to shoot a bear that had been captured and tied to a tree, stating it was unsportsmanlike. This incident led to the creation of the teddy bear toy, symbolizing kindness and compassion.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you like this video. Please subscribe and add a comment on your opinion on the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.